Okay, ready?
Are you ready?
So, we're gonna, move out the way. So, we're gonna do a video on loudness comparison. Just like we find loud stuff and try to see how loud it is compared to quiet. The hard thing, especially with this camera, that, I don't know if I'm pointing at, I don't know, is that it makes quiet stuff loud and loud stuff quiet. So, like, if there's something really loud on screen, it doesn't, like, make you go deaf.
Headphone users.
Yeah, RP headphones users. Anyways, so we're just gonna see how loud stuff is. For control, it's gonna be our control is just gonna be a penny. So we're gonna see how loud it is. So ready? 3,
Pretty loud.
2, 1. See, it's not that loud.
Kind of.
Now, we're gonna get a small rock if I can even find one.
Okay.
I can't find anything. Next up, I'm just gonna drop this piece of metal on the ground and see what just like how loud it is. Ready? Definitely louder than the penny, right, Daniel?
Yeah.
And then it has that metal ring to it, which makes it a little bit louder.
Yeah.
Next up, I'm gonna try this. Oh no, it's Ace. Okay, next up, I'm gonna try this walnut shell and see how loud it is.
Oh, he hit himself on the door.
What the heck? It is, yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I feel like this is obviously louder than the walnut shell, so I know it didn't break. Next up, I'm gonna throw this against that trash can. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it against. I'm gonna throw it against that gray trash can right here. So ready? 3, 2, 1. That was for sure loud. And yeah, it was loud. So next up, I'm just gonna clap. So it's not that loud. It's
I
loud.
will clap loud. Look.
Daniel's, my little brother, is gonna clap. Okay, that's good, Daniel. Next up, I'm just gonna use. Oh yeah,
My Cheetos.
we're gonna drop these shotgun shells and see how loud they are when they hit the ground.
Cheetos.
So we're gonna drop these shotgun shells on the ground and see how loud they are.
And then let's drop this.
That's not loud at all, Daniel. And what a waste of hot Cheetos. Anyways, I'm just gonna drop the small yellow one and then the big red one. Ready? Not that loud. Lower pitch, but a little bit louder.
I want to hit the metal. It'd be louder.
Yeah, Daniel, it did hit the metal.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight to.
You're actually gonna drop that?
No, I'm not gonna drop it. I'm gonna shoot it.
Oh.
We're gonna go straight to this Nerf gun right here and see.
It's a Nerf rifle, man.
Yeah, I know. I call it Nerf gun because, like a normal person, it has a cool little. What is it? Red dot. It's not really done. It's not for this video, but I'll use the next video or something. And so let's see how loud this is.
Pretty loud.
Okay, it's pretty loud. It's definitely louder than clapping. Let me shoot it again. No, it's gonna be Ice Cream Heist. Oh yeah, Sneak Peek Ice Cream Heist Part 2, or the sequel of Ice Cream Heist, is coming up in the nighttime. I'm gonna post it around 8 or 10. I don't know.
Saturday.
Between 8 and 10 today.
Yeah, but what day? Saturday?
Today.
Oh.
It is, yeah. I'm gonna shoot this again. So yeah, it was not that loud compared to what's next. It's a cap gun. It's tiny. It's really tiny compared to the Nerf rival, but it is probably 10 times louder than a Nerf rival. I'll show you why.
No, it's not. It's not.
See this little yellow thing right here? That's called a primer, And then so basically they're really loud when they pop for like a real gun. You know, real guns are way louder. This one has has kind of the same thing, just that they're a different color and they have less powder. Wait, focus. My camera does not want to focus. Oh wait, technical difficulties. Wait, I'll be back. Okay, so either ways, yeah, there's like these. What is? Okay, okay, so right here it's just like a cap, and then you pull this thing back, and when it hits the cap, it makes a loud snap, kind of like a pop it you throw on the ground. This one is way louder than that. So I'm gonna shoot it in 3, 2, 1. So it was pretty loud. I'm gonna shoot it again. You could probably hear the echo throughout the neighborhood. So ready, 3, 2, 1. And you can even see some smoke come out. Watch, I'll put it a little bit closer to the camera so you can see the smoke. Ready, 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Okay, apparently my cap gun is broken, kind of. Next up is the loudest thing ever. Wait, after?
What is that?
I'm going to drop this rock and see how loud it is, because I really want to get to the next one. So ready?
Oh no.
It kind of sounds like the same as a cap gun. Now I'm just going to use this. I don't know what it is.
No,
Not
not
loud at all.
loud.
Anyways, let's get to the next thing. Now, where is that? Oh, there it is. Okay, so.
Intermission.
Yeah, intermission. So now, we're going to use a pool noodle. You might think pool noodles are like why the heck are you using a pool noodle? Well, you'll see why. When you kind of like use it as like a sword or something, if it hits like the concrete or like tile, it makes a really loud snap. I don't know why it does that, but it does it. So I'm gonna see how loud it is
I
compared
think
to
it's
everything.
in one of his videos where he made it.
No, it's not,
Oh.
sadly. But yeah, let's try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, so that made an obvious shockwave on the ground. I don't have to Oh, is that a freaking neighbor's car? Oh no, they're probably mad. I'm gonna pop it again. I'm gonna put. Damn you, rock. I'm gonna put some leaves. That dropped the shotgun shell.
It fell. It's falling.
Can't stop. Okay.
They're flying from the sky.
Can't stop. I'm gonna pause it.
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay, so that's just about it. It's already raining, so we're just gonna make the video and then we're gonna be done. And so yeah.
And see you in the ice cream heist. Bye.
See you in ice cream heist. Okay, bye. Say bye, Daniel.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.